Loh Siew Tuan is a member of that small group of vocalists in the world called the best. Salt Laker Elizabeth Hedquist would like to be. But if it weren't for this summer's International Vocal School at Promise Valley Playhouse, the pupil could never even get the teacher on the phone.
Sessions with people like this are very expensive, $50, $100 an hour. And we sit in this for, almost 8 hours a day.
These students pass through a series of classes. They call this one the audition. Elizabeth Crittenden is an agent for more than 100 of the world's best singers. If she says sing something else, they do.
Difficult to keep the interest going, and I thought you did very well with that.
Just down the hall, they work with Peter Lockwood.
Now do it all that again, but keep your hands down. You're putting all the expression in your hands and not in your voice.
He trains singers at the Belgian Opera House. He likes molding our singers, too.
And just showing them, look, if we do this with it and this with it, and put in a bit of your real emotion, look what happens.
It isn't the Met yet, but one of these performers will have an even more memorable summer, a chance to continue study with the masters in Europe. Carol Makita, Eyewitness News, Salt Lake City.
Ready?
No, I'm not ready.
Have a good night. Have a good night.
Good evening.